Hi guys, it's me Angga Rizky and welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to show you about how to design the login and register page for Android. So we're gonna to create new document first, start new Android Studio project, and I will give the name to a member because it's page for register and login. And next, and we're gonna use the mg activity and next, and then we can make the activity name to login because we have the login and register page and finish, and it's Gradle build. You can wait for several time to prepare your workspace, your project, and your Android. Okay, just waiting. Okay, so we have done to prepare the Android. So we need to check the XML first. You can click here and choose the design here. So we can waiting for several time for our preview in Android Studio. Okay, so this is the basic design for login. Before I'm going to design the Sketch app, I want to running this Android first. You can run app here, run, and I will choose my FED Android emulator here. I have installed the Galaxy Nexus with APA 19. Okay, so it's waiting for Gradle build for our emulator. And if you don't have the, you can install it by yourself. Okay, I just installed the Galaxy Nexus with APA 19, so you can install the Galaxy Nexus, or you can use your phone, smartphone. So you don't need to use the FED, you use the smartphone with your Android or your Google Pixel. Okay, so this is a preview from my FED Android virtual device, and then you can see this is hello world like we did in the left side, and we got the result in the right side. You can see. Okay, so before we codes, we need to design. So I can check the Nexus 4 here. The size of font is 798, and the height is 12 with 80 here. So we go to Sketch app and choose, and waiting for Sketch app, and then go to insert and artboard, and I will choose the mobile portrait here, and I will resize the width for 780. We can check it first. 68. Okay, 768, and the height it shall be 12 and 80. Okay, it's too big, I think so, but it's not problem. Well, we start from the login here, login, and then I will create insert, and I will create the text here for username, and I want to change the color to the black. Okay, and the weight is should be regular like this, and then we go to insert and shape and line, and change the color to D4 D4 D4, and I want to make to the left like this. Okay, and I want to group this layer, group, and change to username, and I want to make to center, and duplicate this group and change to password, and double click to change to password like this. And then I want to create the button for login, so we go to insert, shape, and rounded, like this, and remove the border color and change the field color to the blue like this, and the radius it shall be 30. No, I think it's full. Yes, it's full. And then we can give the margin like this. Okay, and then I will select the username, copy, and go to rectangle and change the font color to the white and edit to login and make it to center, and I will group all of them to login. Okay, it's cool. And then I will duplicate the login here for register. Okay, I want to change the shape rectangle to another color like this. Okay, and select the login and change to register and change the color to the black like this. Okay, and then we can make it to bottom like this. Maybe okay, it's enough. And we need the sample logo here. Insert, shape, and create the oval. I want to create a sample logo, and then I will duplicate this oval and change the color to the purple and select the oval and choose the mesh here like this, and I will duplicate again and change the color to the another purple, and then I will duplicate again and change the color to the another color. Okay, and duplicate again and select to another color like this. It's pretty simple. And go to shadow, and we can copy style and select all of them and paste style. Sorry, we need to shadow like this, and shadow and shadow like this. It's simple. Okay, so we will create another page for register. We select the login and checklist the background color like this. Okay, I want to duplicate this layer to register and change the login to create an account, and the register change to login. Okay, and I will duplicate this layer, duplicate, and change the name of group to email, and change the password. Sorry, we gonna to make it bottom first. I want to change the name of label to email address, and move the register and login like this. 90. It's okay. We have the login and we have the register here, so we can select this layer and make it to group selection and change the name to the logo. Okay, we're gonna to start slicing. We select the logo, make exportable, and export logo. And go to desktop, and go to login, app, and source, and mine, and rest, and drawable. Oh sorry, mistake. This is my older file. So we create the member in Android. We can copy our image here, and we need the BG here, this BG rectangle, BG purple, and we need the BG silver here, BG silver. Okay, so we move the Android and go to text, and I will remove this one, because I don't need. Well, we start from login.xml, so we can go to manifest and double click, and then close. We go to rest and value and style, and we don't need the action bar, so no action bar. Okay, and we don't have the action bar here. It's pretty cool and clean, I think so. And then the first thing we need to create this image view here. You can move like this. Okay, and go back to text, and we can setting the background here for drawable logo, and boom, we have the logo here. But we need to make sure the size, okay, it's 200. We can change to 100 dp, so I will change the height to 110 dp, and this 110 dp. Okay, and we can see the margin top, it's 150, so we can create in dp to 75 dp. Okay, so this is our logo. And next we need to create the username and password, so we click the person name here, and we can click here, and then we can go to text and edit text to match parent. Okay, and you can see the properties in the right side. I want to make this layout white. Oh no, okay, we need to change the name first, so I will remove the text here. Sorry, I will change the text to Hein. It looks like a placeholder in the website. And then we need the padding bottom it's 20 dp. Okay, and change the height to username. You can see you can resize like this, and then change the color to 2A. Okay, so we have the username here, and we can see the margin top, 130. So we can create the margin top. It's I think 60 dp. Okay, it's enough. And then you know what, I will copy this layer, copy this edit text, and change the name to password, and change the text person name to text password like this. So we have the password here, and we can change the ID. This ID you can change to username, and this ID for the password, and then we can make the margin top we can set parent top Android, and then we can choose the ID username. It's not working, so we need to increase this layer to this. No, why it's not working properly? We can change to 300 dp. No, it's not working properly. We can check first match parent word content. Can check it first. Yeah, okay, so you just click drag like this, and then you can go back to text and get the margin margin top to 60 dp. Whoa, no, 30, no, 10. Okay, it's enough. Then we have the username and the password here. Okay, well, the next one we need the button, so I go to button right here, and we can see the margin, it's 90, so it's called 30 in dp. Margin top, layout margin top, it's 30 dp. Okay, and layout match parent, and we can see the height it's 100, so we can change it, the height is 52 dp, and change the background drawable and bg purple, and the color white. We use the hex code 123 and capitalist text all caps, it's false, and I want to edit the text to login. Okay, we have the button login here. Yay! So the next one we need the register button, so I will copy this, copy and paste here, and change the name to BG server, and the name is register. Okay, and we can check the layout below. We can get the name, it's login, and we can check login, and this is the register, the ID, and then we can margin top to 10. Okay, so we have the login and register here. We can preview in our Android emulator. We click here, and the emulator it should be restart, so we just need to waiting. While waiting, I want to check the name, the code of color. So the code of color we can copy and go back to Android Studio and go back to the text and change the text color for register to 90B 90B 90B. Oh, this is our register and login. Okay, it's pretty cool, right? So mistake, I close it. Okay, so you go back to text and we can run again, and okay, while waiting the Android emulator, we can next to register, we can next to create the register page and register.java. This is waiting for the emulator. Okay, so we go to layout and click right and new and layout resource file and give the name to register and okay, and go back to login XML and go back to text, and we copy all of codes and we need to paste here. Boom. But we need copy the edit text, so I will copy for email address. We can change the text password to email address and email address, and layout below for the password, and this is ID for email. Okay, and then of course it's not enough. How to do that? We just need to remove the bed margin for our logo, so we click here and go back to text, and image view we can get the DP for 30, and in username we can get the margin top to 30. No, it's not working. You can see the okay, we can get the below of image view. Okay, and increase the margin top to 30 like this, and in the login we find the login here. We can get the margin to 60, no, 90, maybe 100. Okay, it's cool. So we have the registers right here. We can change the name to register, and the ID is register, and name to login, and the ID to login. Okay, we have the register and login here. Oh, sorry, undo like this. We just need to change the name of label register, and this is for login. Okay, this is register and this is login. So you can see in the design, we can preview in our emulator. We can see basic XML from login and register. Okay, just waiting for several time. Alright, so this is our login, and you can type by yourself, it's up to you. So I'm gonna to create the function in Java for go to register page. So we go to Java and click here, and we go back to login XML, and we can see our button for register is the ID is register. Okay, so we go to Java and declare again, declare new variable for register, and press all option. Okay, we import new class here, and then I will register and button and find view by ID and r.id, and this is our button register. Then register and set, click and new view like this, and then we gonna to intent with new intent, and this first class is login this login this and comma, and go to the register class like this, and start activity to intent. Oh, we need to import the intent, so I will import class like this. Okay, we have the basic Java for change the page. So I will copy all of them, copy, and create new file here for register.java register, and okay, and I will paste like this, and you can change the login to register, and change the login to register, and change the this we can remove, we don't need this. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, and then go to manifest and double click. After you create new Java or XML, you need to register your activity is registered like this. Okay, so I want to test it first. You can apply here in our emulator, so we can waiting for it. It's Gradle build running. Okay, it's restarting. So when I click the register, it shall be to page of register. Pretty cool, right? Okay, we can play again, and it shall be go back to the login. So I want to click here login. We go to login and select all of them, copy and paste again, and we can go back again to register, and then I want to change this name to login, back to login. Okay, and we can copy and paste and paste and paste, and this is the register and this is the login, so it's go back to login from the register, and the layout for the register and go to register.xml and go to text, and then you can see here the ID. You can change to back to login. We go to register.java. Okay, we have, and then we can run again our application. We can restart. Okay, it's waiting. Okay, we're gonna to test register and go back to login and go to register and go back to login and register and login. It's pretty cool. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial, and I hope you can understand about my tutorial, and please let me know if you have any question so I can help you. And then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you the next video tutorial.